onwards, we will talk about social media platforms, social media marketing, how these things works, how we should start our marketing campaign on these platforms. And according to our need, according to our business client, we can go for any one of the social media platform, or if we are okay, if we have a team, then we can go for all the platforms. Okay. So here you can see we are just saying that Facebook marketing. Okay. But here we will not just talk about Facebook. Have you heard about Meta? So Facebook comes under Meta. Meta is the umbrella company in which they have Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp as well. And along with these, they have another platform. I forgot. There's one more thing. So basically, these three popular platforms come under Meta. Okay. So Meta manage Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So most of the time, if we have to run a campaign on Meta platform, so we use Meta Business Suite. Okay. So it allows us to use all these platform in one place to see the metrics, analytics, and to see the growth of all the marketing campaigns on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So what we will learn in social media marketing is the little bit introduction. Okay, how we can use Facebook for lead generation. What are the ways we can use for branding in Facebook? How to target the right audience, how to increase the likes of the Facebook business page. Okay. Facebook ads, Facebook ad automation, how to generate leads through Facebook marketing, how to add conversion tracking pixel code, and make regular reports keeping a check on the inside. So when you work with a client, then definitely you have to make reports to show the growth. Just giving the screenshot of the analytics is not sufficient. You have to create a separate report on the Excel sheet or whatever tool you are using, so that you can show the exact number and the client or your boss can easily understand all the metrics, all the figures. Okay, that's why creating reports are very important, and that's why you have seen in many different tools it allows to give you an option of CSV file download. Okay, you can download that and rearrange as per as your requirement and your own way. So, introduction to social media marketing. What you have understand about social media marketing? When I talk about social media marketing, what do you understand? So, media marketing is very simple. Marketing using all the different social media platforms. This is social media marketing. So we have different platforms in social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. So these are very popular. Facebook has around 2 billion active users for a month. Okay. And little bit on Instagram, and then Twitter, then LinkedIn. And all these platforms have their separate audience base. All these platforms work differently, and different people use it according to their need. Like LinkedIn is not a photo sharing platform. LinkedIn is just for professionals who are looking for business, who are looking for jobs, who are looking for employees, clients. All these people are using LinkedIn because it is provide you networking, it provides you growth. That's why LinkedIn has a feature where you can, when you just post content there, and if someone likes that, then all the people who are following that person will be able to see the post, because LinkedIn wants to give network growth to all the people who are using it. Okay. Then comes Facebook. Facebook is very popular in the world, especially in India, because many people don't have an idea about all these things 5 or 10 years back. They don't have an idea about LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram to naya naya, definitely. So Facebook has that leverage. That's why they have a billion to around 2 billion active users. All the people who don't know marketing, all the people who know marketing, everyone has an account on Facebook. Okay, that's why they have a large number of audience, and that's make Facebook ad very important because there are audience, all type of audience are there. Okay, so on Facebook we can share our picture along with the text. We can also mention link on the post. Okay, and we can post videos. Now we can post stories and short video reels, all these things. Then comes Instagram. So Instagram is initially it is created by copying another platform, um, Pinterest. Pinterest is also a social media platform, but that is not very popular, especially in India. Instagram is popular in that place. So Instagram is another photo sharing application that also allows video sharing, creating reels, and you can also mention text in the form of caption below the picture. But the limitation is you cannot post a link on Instagram. If you write a caption and if you want to redirect your traffic, then it will won't allow you. You have to just add your link on the bio. Bio means the introduction of your page. Okay. Then comes Twitter. Twitter is a platform you and Twitter is become not Twitter is not a Twitter anymore. It is X, but we will call it Twitter here. So Twitter is another very popular platform that's all the bureaucrats around the world use, all the famous personality use, and especially journalists around the world are in the Twitter, and they follow majority of people who are important. Okay, so from Twitter we will get update from different popular people. There was a time that not everyone using Facebook or Instagram. Nowadays, all the famous personality have this account, but initially they just use Twitter account. So Twitter is a microblogging platform. Now it allows to write an article if you having a blue tick, and you can buy it on Twitter. Okay, and there are different coaches on Twitter. Okay, you can post thread if you are trying to post a long article. Okay, but the limit is 140 characters, 140 words. Okay, so you can post that in the form of thread, like one thread, then second thread, then third thread. In this form, you can post on Twitter. Then there definitely comes LinkedIn, and you can post a video, picture, okay, on Twitter. But majority of post that works on Twitter is text based along with the image. Then comes LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you can post videos, okay, pictures. Nowadays, so many people are just posting pictures to grab the attention. But initially, LinkedIn is just for text post, and text post works better than anything else on LinkedIn because people are there to read, to learn something from famous personality. Like different company CEOs are there, and if a founder of a famous company, a unicorn company, is writing something, then definitely other people who know him So these are social media platforms, and regular people are there who are using just for passing time, for entertainment, to get knowledge, and to get interacted with a famous personality, like any entertainer, any politician, any writer, or anyone. Okay, so these social media platforms allow you to network with other similar people, different people from different countries, and you can connect easily with just making a connection with them. So on Facebook, you have to send a friend request. On Instagram, you have to just give a follow request if it is a private account. On Twitter, you have to follow them. On LinkedIn, you can follow and connect with them. And after this, there are other social media platforms as well. There are different social media platforms, but these are very popular in terms of marketing. So the goal of social media marketing is to reach a larger audience, raise brand awareness, and increase sales. This can be accomplished through a variety of strategies, including the creation of engaging content and use of targeted advertisement and collaboration with influencers. So definitely these platforms have different influencers as well. Yes, someone saying now WhatsApp has also introduced its feature of creating channels. Now WhatsApp is evolving day by day. Initially, they just provide the feature of story where you can post a story that will remain for 24 hours. Now it I think this feature comes just 1 week ago. So you can make channels on Facebook or WhatsApp as well. And Telegram is another platform where you will get different features, and if you are okay with that, you can use Telegram as well for your social media marketing strategy. Many people like different YouTube channels have their own Telegram group, okay, where they post update, and people can easily find them and follow them, and all the updates they will get on their mobile phones using Telegram. One of the most important advantage of social media marketing is the ability to reach a large and diverse audience. So when I talked about this Facebook, it have 2 billion active people. Okay. So see the number, like how many people are using that. And along with the number, they are diverse audience. All type of audience are there who belongs to different caste, creed, religion, gender, belongs to different interest. Everyone is there on these platforms. There is a significant opportunity to connect with potential customers regardless of location or demographics. With over 4 billion active social media users worldwide, social media platforms also provide advanced targeting option, allowing business to reach out to a specific group of people based on age, location, interest, and behavior. So when someone's create their account on any platform, they provide the basic details. And after providing the basic details, when they start exploring the platform get understand that how and what is the interest of this person. Okay, on that basis you may have seen, if you are just following one person on YouTube, okay, you have subscribed a person and you are keep watching that type of video, then slowly the algorithm works like that, you will see similar video like that. Okay, if you are watching movies, so after watching 2 3 movies, YouTube will recommend another videos related to that. Okay, but on these platform, uh, you will connect to particular people. Like you have 100 friends on Facebook, so definitely other than that, no one will be able to come to your feed because you're not following them. Okay, same goes with Instagram, but nowadays they are posting and they are recommending any channel on Instagram. And on Twitter, you will be able to see this feature that you see on YouTube. Like if you are following a particular interest, then people belonging to the same interest will, those tweets will be come to your screen. Okay. And LinkedIn is very broad. LinkedIn has a very broad visibility. If someone is liking of another content, and if you're following them, then definitely it will be visible to your screen. So all these platforms allow us easy targeting. Like we can target on the basis of demographics, locations, age groups, and all the behavior they are just showing there. That's why Facebook ad is very important, because Facebook have data, and on that basis they show the your ad according to the interest of the person, how they are behaving. Okay, what are their interests? So what are the benefits of social media marketing? It is a very useful tool for brand awareness. There are people you want to show your brand, you can easily do this using social media platform. So you can raise your brand awareness. Second is cost effective. If you are using organic traffic, organic reach, then definitely you don't have to pay anything. If you are posting good content, then definitely people will follow you. Okay, and this is one of the best thing that we have in this modern world, where someone who have any talent can post a video, picture, or whatever he has, and other people with a similar interest can follow him. Okay, so if you're not using paid ad, then definitely it is a cost effective thing. And if you are using paid ad, then definitely it is still cost effective, because Facebook ads are cheaper than Google ads. Okay, you can increase your website traffic. If people are following your content, if they are liking your post, then definitely they will visit your website as well. Okay, it will increase customer engagement. If you are creating content that people are liking, then definitely they are engaging with you. So it will increase the customer engagement, and which ultimately gives high conversion rate, and that ultimately cause brand loyalty. If someone following you and they believe you, then you are making your brand. Like um, there are so many influencers nowadays who have a great number of audience, millions of followers there, and people are crazy to just see them. Even though they are not doing anything else, they are just dancing or they are just posting content, but people are crazy for them. And definitely, if these influencer make a brand, then definitely they will get a high sale. Because I have 1 million followers, in which 6 to 7 lakhs people are crazy for me to just see me. So what will happen if I start a brand or launch a product? Then definitely these people already believe in me, so they will believe on the brand as well, on the product as well, and they will buy it. Okay, so increase customer retention, obtain customer feedback. You can easily get the feedback on social media. And I have shared a story about myself, like how I just tweeted using Twitter. I posted about Redbus, and they replied me back, and expanded reach, because millions, billions of people are there. You can teach them and just talk about your service. So what is the process of social media marketing? For a normal people, they just posted pictures, okay, without any reason. Someone posting pictures have don't have any particular reason or particular goal to accomplish. They are just posting pictures because they want to show people nearby. Okay, like for a basic person, they have an Instagram account, private Instagram account. They are following 100 or some people, or 200, 500 people are following them. They are just posting picture to show them. So there is no goal. They just want to show off whatever they have. Okay. But when we talked about marketing, then definitely if you are using Facebook, then you must have a Facebook page. If you are using Instagram, then you must have a public account, that we call it a page. Okay. Same goes for other platform. If you are using it for marketing purpose, then definitely it must be public, so that people can find you easily. if you have a Instagram account that is private and you are planning to make it planning to social media market, then definitely it won't work, because you are just not using the advantage of reach. If you make your account public, then definitely more people will see it and it will recommend it by the platform as well. Okay, so what is the process of social media marketing? Social media marketing is the process of promoting a product, service, or brand through social media platform. This can be accomplished in the variety of ways, including content creation and distribution, social media advertising, and interaction with followers. So the base of social media marketing is the content. Content is the bridge that connects you with your potential customers, and it is the content that will help you to build a audience. All the influencers who have a massive audience are able to build that just use of content. Now it doesn't matter they are dancing, they are doing something else, but if we remove the content from there, then how they will connect, how will find it? Okay, so definitely content creation is the base of social media marketing. Whatever you post, the videos, text based content, pictures, everything comes under content creation. Okay, so here you can see like content creation and sharing, influencer marketing, engagement, social media advertising. So social media advertising simply means the ad we run. Engagement means how a visitor is engaging with your content, with your account. And when we talk about social media marketing, so I have a great experience with that. I have worked with a AI tool company, which is primarily focused on influencer marketing. Okay, so they have an AI tool, and the prime platform that we use to target was Instagram. So I will give you an idea about influencer marketing as well. So using that platform, we create a list of let's suppose if I have a gym based client, okay, and that gym based client want influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is simply thing like using an influencer, we are promoting our services or brand because they have an audience. Okay, so let's suppose I have a gym on Delhi. So in Delhi there are so many influencers. Okay, so now I want local people to see me, but not by paid ads. I want to make it more organic. So how it will work like, I will look for influencer based on Delhi, because if they are from Delhi, then definitely they have a local audience as well. So what are those AI tools which we are supposed to use for social media marketing? You don't have to use any AI tool initially. I was just talking about my experience, and I will give you an idea like how that tool worked. And you can use influencer marketing and all these marketing without using the tool. Okay, so now I am looking for people who can visit my gym, who are local from Delhi. So I will make a deal with the influencer who are located on Delhi, and that influencer will post a video from my gym, talked about my gym, and then definitely people who are following him can visit my gym. I can give you an offer. Like the influencer will talk about like if you want to join this gym, you can use you can swipe up and get a coupon code or anything. So this is how influencer marketing works. Like so many beauty influencers are there who are promoting different brands. Like Nike is using influencer marketing. They are using influencers who have 1 lakh or 5 lakh followers, and they are just giving free product to them or a paid compensation. And these influencers make a video and talk about the brand or the product, like it helps my skin like in that way. So you can understand this is how influencer marketing is. So the tool I was talking about was an AI tool, and it helped us in a very broad way, because we are, working with multiple clients, and the target market was USA. So this tool started with a service giving, like, if I'm looking for influencer who have a interest, who have a content based on gym, so definitely I will just search about gym, and it will show me all the content. Along with the location, I can just set the location. So after setting all these thing requirement, all the filters, I will get the result of all photographs, different photographs, like a woman is doing exercise, a man is doing exercise. And after selecting all the photos which are relevant to my target audience, like if I am targeting male people only, so I will just pick all the photographs in which a male is working out. Okay, after selecting that, I will just click, and it will give me a list of all the influencers who have similar content. Okay, so now I have a list of these people. Using the AI tool, I will just talk with these influencers and mail it. I will send them email, and on that email I just talked about my service, that we have a platform, and we have a client who wants this type of content, and on compensation we can provide you this. Okay, now this is the time where they can decide if the compensation okay with that, then definitely they will uh, do a campaign for us, and if they are not okay, they can say no. So you can simply start influencer marketing by just understanding the target audience. Like if you have comment box, definitely. Like here, someone is asking, can we use their comment box for our marketing? Definitely, this is best technique for organic reach, because famous people have different type of audience. Definitely more people are following them, and their post and engagement rates are high. So definitely if you make a valuable comment, then you will grab attention of different people. So how to use it? You can use it like, if you are new to a particular industry, if you have a fashion blog. Okay, so now what you can do is, you can just find out the popular people of your industry. Okay, who is the popular influencer? Okay, popular brand. Like Lakme is a very big brand. Okay, in India, it is Nike. Okay, whatever it is. So on their post, you can make a valuable comment, so that other people can see it. Oh, this one is, they can read it, and if 100 people are reading that comment, then definitely 10 people will click and see your channel, your account. So you have to use it accordingly. You don't have to spam the comment section. If you are using commenting technique to improve your growth or organic reach, then you must be ready to provide a value based comment, provide something valuable there. Got it? So the part of social media marketing is content creation and sharing, creating a value based content, and definitely people will consider you, and slowly they will start engaging with you. Social media advertisement simply means you make a paid ad, and that paid ad target the customers who have a similar audience, and as per as the ad you created, like demographics, okay, and all these things. And engagement simply means when you create value based content, then simply people start engaging with you. Your content would be either inspiring, entertainment, or an education based content. Okay, then comes the influencer marketing. If we want influencer marketing, then definitely we should look at a type of influencer who have a similar audience, so that we can grab the attention of similar people. And uh, another thing is a shout out. Okay. Anyone heard about shout out, like a big account gives? So if someone has 1 lakh followers, okay, now you work hard, create content, and you build an audience of 1 lakh people. Now, if I'm new to the industry, I can pay you a money and ask for a shout out. Like on your content, just talked about myself, me. This is how things work. Like this is a type of collaboration. I collaborated with you, you give me a shout out, or either we start creating content with each other. Okay, so there are different things that you can use to reach people without paid ads. Okay, but sometimes it still requires money. So how to use Facebook for lead generation? As I mentioned, Facebook organic reach is almost dead, and the pages that you see, like they are posting any type of content, they are not like a business page. So don't confuse yourself that if you create a business page and you will get an organic reach. The hard truth is Facebook organic reach is dead. And same thing is happening on all the platforms. Organic reach is almost dead. You have to just go for paid ads or other different type of collaboration with big accounts. Okay, this is how you can grow, but still you must have an idea about how to use Facebook, how to use all these platform in terms of organic reach, because it provides you an leverage when someone comes to your account. So Facebook lead ads can help with a variety of marketing goals, but they excel at one of the marketing golden rules: understand the audience. So the best thing about Facebook is they have a data, and on the basis of that data, of the customer data, they can show the ad. If your goal include market research, customer feedback, or increasing conversions, Facebook lead ads could be answer. This guide will answer all of your format question, including how to create a campaign and optimize. So Facebook leads ad, what are exactly it is? It is like a form. Okay, these forms enables marketer to collect information from customer while also providing opportunity for interaction, such as newsletter subscription, demo request, or contest registration. Like you promoted an ad, you created an ad, and through that ad you are collecting the data of your lead. Okay, so that you can just nurture them, and on the later stages you can just convert them into a paying customer. When a person clicks on a lead ad, they are taken to a form that has been pre-populated with information from their Facebook profile. The rest is a matter of simple taps. Pre-populated simply means it automatically collect the data and mention like what is their name, email ID, and all these things. One of the important feature of lead ad is that they are mobile friendly. This is critical given Facebook's 88% mobile user share, especially given that forms on desktop typically take 40% longer to complete. So again, it is talking about mobile user, like majority of users are on the phone. So these Facebook leads that are mobile friendly. So if I click on that ad, I will redirect to a form that is easy to fill on the phone, mobile phone. Okay. And using Facebook lead ads, we can just generate a database and collect the information of the potential customers. So another benefit of Facebook lead ad is you can just integrate and sync the data with your customer relationship management system. Like different company use a different system to manage the customer data, so you can just integrate these two so that your customer relationship system and the software the tool you are using, you will get automatically data of your potential customer. Okay, so here are the five great ways to generate lead using Facebook. So first and the very important thing is identifying your target audience. And this thing is always important, whatever you are doing, whatever type of business you are doing on any platform. Understand that target audience. So in the very first class, we have talked about target audience. Like if we are selling a comb to a baldman, then definitely you will not get any sale. Important thing is you have to understand about your product service, then just figure out who will buy it. So once you are done with that, you can just easily identify your target audience. Like if you are promoting a product that belongs to male, then you are clear that only male will buy it. If you understand that only this belongs to teenagers or youngster, then definitely people after 40 will not buy it. So you don't have to target people who are older than 40. Okay, this is how you have to just figure out your target audience, and you have to create a your potential customer persona, how that person looks, how the person demographic is. Know what your customers want. Now we have created a ideal customer persona. Like my ideal customer persona is someone who comes under 20 to 30 years of age. It would be a male. Okay, and that person male has an interest of reading, writing, learning. So now on these basis, I can understand this is my persona of ideal customers, and on that basis, I can figure out what type of things these type of people like. So if someone has an interest on reading, writing, okay, someone is very interested on information, then definitely if I provide a dancing type of ad, TikTok type or typical reel type of ad, then definitely it won't be so engaging for that. Okay, and if I start creating content or start creating copies, such type of copies, then definitely my ideal customer, potential customer, will not look at it, because that is not comes under his persona. And if my ideal persona is like they just enjoy things, okay, they want to visit different places, and more of the time they just watching reels themselves, they created reels. And if I provide text-based content, so it is not in their interest. So we have to understand that what type of people we are targeting. Okay, on that basis we can understand what they want. So you must analyze what the customers and the visitors of your page may want to gain from their visit. And this is very important when you are just work as a content creator, or if you are getting followers for your page or your account. Like if you have 500 followers, then you must understand what type of content they follow, and what type of content they like from your account. Okay, like if you get 1000 followers, and till this point you are talking about important things related to Indian history, okay, that's why they are following you. Now you, if you start creating content on Bollywood, will they follow? Will they visit you? No, they will unfollow you, because their persona comes shows that they are more interested on the history, on the knowledge, not on the entertainment, not on the gossip. And same goes and vice versa for the same thing. Like if you have a Bollywood gossip page, people are following you, boys are following you, teenagers are following you to check what celebrities are doing. And suddenly if you start posting content related to Indian history, Indian politics, they will unfollow you. So you have to understand like what are the people that are following you, and on that basis you must create content for the future. Increase the interactivity of your page. Okay, and Interacting with the visitors and answering their question will help you both in the short and long run. Allow visitors to ask questions about your service directly in your messenger inbox or in the comment section of your post. So it is very important, especially in the earlier stage. And if you are a brand providing any services, keep an eye on your comment section. Make sure you are interacting with your potential customer on the comment section, because if someone's make a comment on your post and you are not answering them, you are not interacting them, then definitely you are losing them. Okay. And if they ask a question, if they post a query, and if you answer it, then definitely it build a relationship with them. Okay, so make sure to interact with the customers on the comment section. Make the most of Facebook's features. Facebook has recently introduced a leads ad. Posting leads ad directly from your Facebook page is an effective way to capture user data while they are browsing Facebook. So different features are available on Facebook that you can use it to grab the data that already Facebook have, and using that you can just uh, create the ideal persona and target the potential customers. Another useful tool that you should include on your website is Facebook Pixel. So when we create ad, okay, so let's suppose I create a ad for website traffic on Facebook. So the ad will be shown to people, they will click it and comes to the website. Now there are two platforms. First one is Facebook and another is the website. Facebook can just easily understand the data that they have. Okay, but now the customer come from Facebook to the website. So how Facebook will track everything or anything outside from their platform? So for that purpose, Facebook Pixel we use. There is a pixel, there is a code, JavaScript code that we embedded in our website pages on all the pages, and through that, Facebook will get the data like how the person is behaving on what pages they are going, and through that, Facebook can collect the data from your website. Okay, direct your customer to the primary site. When you post an advertisement on Facebook promoting your business, don't forget to include a link to the main site. So ultimately, if we are promoting a website ad, if we want to get more traffic on our website or on our YouTube channel, then definitely we must add all the links and the main link where we want to take our potential customer to. Okay. By including a link to the main website, you can point your customer in the right direction. Okay, definitely if you are using a link, so you must use it in a way that it directly take the customer to the right place. Okay, where we want to take it. Ways to use Facebook for branding. So social media platforms are best for branding because here different people are just scrolling content. Okay, they are just following other people. So by using these people you can increase your brand awareness. Okay, and that's how you can build your own brand. Okay, so there are numerous ways to target an audience and optimize your Facebook marketing. After this section, I will talk about how you can optimize your page on Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Meet new people. Okay. Use your best contact to meet new people who shares your interest. Make sure understand like what type of content you have and what is your target people are. If you are promoting or if you have a keen interest on beauty product, then definitely females are the target audience, majority of females, because males are not that interested on beauty products. Okay. So this is how you can just meet new people, target them. Concentrate on your contact people who already like your work. So definitely targeting new people are very important, but Maintaining a relationship with the existing customer, with the existing follower is precious. So make sure to follow or solve all the queries, answer their questions, and provide them value that they are looking for. Define your scope. To build an audience, focus on a specific demographic and interest. Let's just I just talked about like if you have a gaming channel and if you target people who are 40 years of age, then definitely no will follow you. For a gaming channel who wants to make an ad on Facebook, the actual people are teenagers. Okay, teenagers who are just studying. Okay, so this is how you can design your demographics of ideal customer. Retargeting website visitors. After they leave your site, reconnect them on your social channels. That's why Facebook pixel is very important. If someone comes to your website, okay, now how Facebook will know that this person is come to your website? Using that code, Facebook will understand, okay, this person is already come to their website, so now we should retarget them. Okay, so this is how retargeting ads works. Facebook ads grabs people's attention and ties them to return to your website. Okay, so let's suppose if I was just scrolling and this happened to me, like I was showing the example of bummer in the first two classes. Then after that I start getting ads on my Facebook account of bummer because their website understand that this person was scrolling different products, was in our website but didn't make a purchase. That's why they start showing me an ad and with different offers and different products. Look at what sells on social media. When you connect your store, you can see how your ad increase sales, bring in new customers, and increase your ROI. Everything works together to help you make better decision. So it is very important, like how much you are investing and how much you are earning. That's why here comes the concept of return on investment. You are spending 1 lakhs of rupees and you are earning 80,000, so you are in the loss, you are doing something bad. If you are investing 1 lakhs and you are earning 2 lakhs, then definitely you are in the profit side. So this is how we should understand like how much our spending investing on ads on social media and how much we are earning. Make friends with your fans, make new friends by using your contacts. We discover that using your MailChimp list for Facebook ad targeting is 25% more effective than just using interest targeting. So you have an pre-existing list, okay, of MailChimp subscriber. You can use that list to target people. Okay, so this thing is not very popular, especially on Facebook, because you can easily target on different demographics. Then that works wonderfully. But if you want to just target the MailChimp subscriber, you can easily do this by using that list. Quickly create new Facebook campaign. We make creating Facebook ads for your campaign simple. Everything is in MailChimp. So you can create, buy, track the result of your ad. So before talk about how to target the right audience, we must understand like how to start with the Facebook and other social media marketing. If you want to market on Facebook, then definitely you must have an ad, Facebook page. Okay, Facebook page. Everyone knows what is a Facebook page. So this is the basic page, Facebook page of Flipkart. So this is the profile picture and this is the cover picture, and according to your business you can decide you have to change it or not. Okay, so understand all these concepts because you can start as a content creator as well. So here they are just showing like the best thing, like they are going with a big billion days. This is the type of deal that they run. So 8th to 15th October, they just make it very simple. They just add the image of their brand ambassadors, and they mention the date and the deal name, and that's it. Okay, so this is how you can just understand like how different brands, different companies use marketing strategies to create creatives and advertisement. Okay, it is very simple and easy to understand. So this is the cover page. Here you can see they have 9.9 million likes and 100 million followers. From this place, if I like this thing, then it will comes under the category, and where I like comes on the list of my like pages. Okay, so here comes the important part, that is introduction. India's favorite online shopping destination. One simple line, and they give the link flipkart.com. What is the category of this page? It is an e-commerce website. Okay, and again, Flipkart Internet Private Limited is responsible for this page, and this means this is the admin. Okay, and here again the website. So most of the brand don't focus on their maintaining their Facebook page, because Facebook page are not that popular. Only Facebook ads are popular, and other thing is the Instagram platform. Okay, so like this, they posted a picture, and one of the customers reply this, ask for something like this, and here you can see Flipkart replied here. Okay, that is, we are talking about interact with your customers, grab their attentions, and make feel them that they the brand care about them. Okay, so here comes different posts in the form of videos, pictures, and all that. And this is the about section where you can and on the backside you can add all the information. Every can do this. Okay, very easy. The creation of Facebook page is very easy. You just have to go to your Facebook account, and you will get an option to create page, and through that you can create your page, add images, mention about everything whatever you have. Okay, so how to target the right audience? The ability to laser target your audience is one of the key advantage of social ads over other forms of advertising, because here we have data. Smart Facebook ad targeting can assist you in reaching the people most likely to be interested in your brand. Like Facebook have also an automated type of ad, and they automatically create and target using that ad. Okay, the Facebook system automatically target the people who have a similar interest related to you, and it show your ad to them. What is the process of Facebook ad targeting? So Facebook ad targeting allow you to narrow down the audience that will see your ad. Okay, what you want audience that is more relevant to you, that is a potential one. Okay, you don't want to show your ad to everyone, and here you will get an average on Facebook. It can increase the effectiveness of your campaign, but it will also increase the cost of your advertisement. In simple terms, reaching a larger audience is more expensive than reaching a smaller one. If you are reaching a larger audience, then definitely you will get high clicks, so your ad amount will be higher. But definitely, if you are targeting appropriately to the right person, then your ROI will be higher than your investment. Okay. Ad targeting on Facebook is based on three different types of target audience. So on Facebook, we create three type of audience. Okay, target core audience, like based on their demographics. Okay, their interest and their location. This comes under the core targeting. Then we create two types of audience: lookalike audience and custom audience. So custom audience are the one who have previously interacted with your brand. Okay, like custom audience enable you to recommend with people who have previously interacted with your company. The bomber ad I got on my Facebook was because I was looking at their website. I was surfing their website. They collected my data in some ways, and that's how I comes under the category of custom audience because I know little bit about their brand. Okay, so this comes under custom audience. Now, second type of audience is lookalike audience. So lookalike audience is like who have a similar or behavior like our customers. Okay, like our customers is come under the category of teenagers who are buying our products, who are using or who are following a particular page, who are just more focused on fashion industries. So on that basis, we can make a audience look-alike. That's why we said a look-alike audience because they are look-alike our customers. So lookalike audience allow you to target people who are similar to our best customers but may not be aware of our company. So they are they comes under the category of our ideal customer persona, but they don't know about us. So they are coming on lookalike audience. But people who understand our brand, who are aware of our brand, come under the category of custom audience. Got it? Everyone understand custom audience, lookalike audience because these type of audience we will create audience and use it in our ad. So eight Facebook ad targeting strategies. So use audience insight to target your competitors fans. Like the audience tab in the Meta Business Suite Insight contains a wealth of useful information. We will look at it that can assist you in better understanding of your Facebook followers. This data can be used to figure out how to target potential new customers. On the basis of data you are getting, you can just target the customers. Remarketing with the customer audience, like give you an example, like someone's coming to your website now, you want to retarget it, so you will use remarketing ads to show your brand. Use value-based lookalike audience to find people who are similar to your best customer. Now you want to also target people who are unaware of you, but they can buy your product. Like someone who are interested on reading and they don't have an idea about your website where you can you publish post and audio form of different books, but I don't know because I have no idea. Okay, so now I would be comes under the category of lookalike audience because I have a similar interest of reading or listening to podcasts, but I don't have an idea about your brand. Use Facebook ad relevance diagnostic to improve targeting. So in this category, three things are very important. That is quality evaluation, ranking of engagement rates, and ranking on conversion rates. We will look at it on the Facebook business suite. It says Facebook uses three and ad relevance diagnostic to help you to understand how relevant your ad is to your target audience. ओके कि कितना क्वालिटी है उसका, एंगेजमेंट रेट कितना है एंड कन्वर्जन रेट कितना है, सिंपल भाषा में अगर बात करें तो. So on the basis of your ad performance, we can see what is the quality of your ad, are customer engaging with it or not, or you are getting conversion rate or not. Okay. So you will get this data once you run your ad. Target people who have recently purchased something through Facebook ad. So this data is also kept on the Facebook database, and Facebook understand that what type of people make sales or purchased through Facebook ads. So the ability to target people who have already expressed interest in making a purchase from Facebook ad is often overlooked option among the detailed targeting option for Facebook ad. Like a person who is already buying things or purchasing things from Facebook ad can easily target, and the chances are higher that they can buy it again because they trust the process, they trust the advertisement on Facebook, because so many people are not that confident to buy online things. Okay. Then sixth come is discover your unicorn content. It simply means the USP, showing what are the things that you have as compared to your customers, what are the value that you are providing through your content, and the better content you can create, the better engagement you will get, and that ultimately helps you Facebook ads and as well as organic reach. Okay. Use layer targeting to achieve pinpoint accuracy. Okay. Facebook provides numerous targeting options. The options are divided in three major categories: surface, demographics, interest, and behaviors. So, how we target on the basis of interest, demographics, and behaviors. Interest and behaviors comes under the same category. Okay. However, within each of these categories, things become quite granular. So we can just pinpoint our target audience on the basis of their demographic, and if we are looking for location based things, so on the basis of location and on the basis of interest. This features is very useful. That's why so many brand use Facebook ads, because they can use the existing data to target you. Find your target audience by using broad targeting. So on the previous point, we were talking about pinpoint targeting, and here we are talking about broad targeting. So what if you just starting out, don't know who your target audience is? We have written an entire blog post. Okay. So if you are new to Facebook ad, then definitely you can target a broader audience, and on the basis of collecting data, understanding the process, your product, your ideal customers, you can just go to target pinpoint customers or pinpoint to your potential customers. How to increase the likes of the Facebook business page? Like means simply if someone liking you, they are going to follow you. So there are two ways to increase your Facebook like increasing your reach and increasing your engagement. Reach and engagement means This simply means you are visible to new customers, and increasing engagement means you are engaging more with the existing customer. That shows algorithm that you are creating fabulous content, you are working well. That's how other people will also able to see your page on their recommendation. Okay. So increasing your reach means drawing more attention to your content, and increasing engagement entails reaching more likes for those who see them. Okay, engagement means someone is interacting with you. Reach means new people are able to see your content, your channel, your Facebook page. Begin with solid social marketing fundamentals. Okay, so before starting anything, make sure you have a great strategies for all these things. What type of content you will create? Okay, what will be your target audience? When you will post content? What are the frequency of this content? These are the fundamentals of social media marketing, and you should understand like how your social media marketing strategies will go live in front of your target audience. Understand what your target audience wants to see. Definitely you are there on social media for your target audience, so you should understand what your target audience is looking for. That's why so many of content creators become irrelevant, and people stop following them after a period of time, because they become irrelevant. They are not improving their creativity, they are not doing anything new. That's why you can see that there were so many popular YouTubers 4 years back are invisible now. They are not able. We cannot see them again. Okay, because the reach they were getting was down. Their channel analytics were down because they failed to understand what their audience want. So this is how works for social media marketing. Like you have to understand what your audience want to see, and through this you can understand like you can use different tools. Okay, like hot shoot analyst, and there are so many tools for social media marketing. Okay, BuzzFeed, all these. tools you can use for social media marketing, where it also shows like what type of content people are looking. Okay, what is the engagement rate, how much they like, or how much time they spend on that particular video, are they watching it or not. Okay, recognize when your target audience is active. It simply means the timing. You should understand what is the best time to post your content on your Facebook page or whatever platform you are using. If you are posting, if your target audience are teenagers who are active on social media from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. on the night, and you are posting content early in the morning like 8 a.m., so definitely it will not perform better, because majority of your target audience is still sleeping. They wouldn't be able to see your content. That's why we have an option of scheduling. If we and we should use it, and using that option you can schedule your post at any date at any time. Okay, you understand about the concept of scheduling. So scheduling simply means you schedule your post for the future. Okay, let's suppose my target audience would be there at 10 p.m., but I would be busy, or wouldn't be able to post content at 10 p.m. So I can just use this feature of scheduling. On all the platform, you will get this. Nowadays, it is available on all the platform. You just have to schedule it. Okay. So in before going to the general trends, understand your target audience, and on that basis, you can just make a time, find out the time which is best suits for you, along with the days. Okay, which weekdays are better to post your content. So Hotsuite Analytics is a tool that provides social media marketing. It also provides different features of scheduling, post, and all these things. And you can see the analytics as well here. Keep up with Facebook trends. Like when you keep up with the latest trend, you will attract more attention. Facebook users want to see content that is relevant to them. Not just Facebook users, every users on any platform want to see relevant content. So you have to make sure that you are relevant to them. Facebook Reels are the platform's fastest growing format, and Facebook promotes them pretty much everywhere. And this is very important point to note. Like nowadays, every platform has these 30-second or 60-second video formats, and it provides a high reach. Okay, if you are starting with Instagram, make sure to make more and more reels. Okay, in terms of human attention span, it is very bad. Literally, it destroy your attention span, and watching reels for a long time will affect you mentally. Okay, and it will make you addict to watch them again. So apart from marketing side, you should also understand these things as well. But as a marketer, our just main focus is to get more and more views, more and more audience. But for yourself, make sure that you are not watching more reels. Uh, a general bonus tip outside this course. So yes, I was talking about reels. So Instagram reels are very important, okay, because it provides you reach, not just Instagram reels, the Facebook reels and the YouTube shorts that you see, because people just scroll it and you would be able to see it. That's why it provides you high reach. So make sure to use these type of content, because it provides you reach, and what the content, the text content performing on Instagram, the reels would be uh, more interacting as compared to the text format. People are still using Facebook to conduct brand research. Okay, according to Hotsuite 2022, social media trends report 53% of users age 16 to 24 use social media as their primary source of brand research. So before they make a purchase, they understand the brand using these platform. Okay, to understand like what people are talking about them. Pin a popular post. Pin a popular post simply means just pin. the best post that you have on your profile on your Facebook page. Okay, so that whenever someone comes to your post, come to your page, they can easily see. Collaborate with Facebook influencers or whatever platform you are using. Make sure to collaborate with the all the big accounts, so that if you start creating collaborating content with them, then definitely you will get a benefit from their audience as well. If they have a lack of audience and you are new to the industry, then definitely uh, you will get so many numbers in terms of subscribers or followers. Make use of cross promotion. Take advantage of your large following on other social channels. Okay, over 99% of Facebook users have also account on other social media platform. So everyone has accounts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So make sure to use you can use cross promotion. To increase the visibility of your post, promoting Facebook specific content on other social media platforms. It just simply means redirecting from other uh, social media platform and informing that you have a Facebook page. And ultimately running advertisement that also helps you with the paid promotion. Only about 5% of brand followers will see it post. And the the main problem of organic reach is like especially on the platform like Instagram and Facebook, that not everyone will be able to see your post. If you have 1000 followers and if you post something, then definitely not 1000 people will able to see it, because everyone is following a different number of pages. So the chances that your post is visible to everyone is very low. If they are engaging with your post, then definitely they will able to see, but not the entire 1000 follower will be able to see your post. This is the limitation that organic reach is. Okay, and apart from this, if you are not able to reach the 1000 people who are with you, then how you will reach other one? That's why organic reach is bad, especially on Facebook. So here you can take the advantage of Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and whatever ad it is on according to the platform. This is Facebook business suite. Okay, okay, so here is everything. Okay, like this is the Facebook testing. I just created a testing page. Okay, and you will be able to see the Instagram page if you just connect it with the business suite. Okay, and you can also connect the WhatsApp messenger as well. Here you can see like it gives an option of create a post, okay, create ad and more. And here you will see the metrics, the analytics, like the how you are performing. Okay, the number of messages you are getting, the audience and trends. And you will see your post here, and the ad you will run, you will able to see here. This is Facebook or Meta Business Suite, not an ad account. Ad account comes under this, and you can also make your ad using the page on this is the page. Okay, yes, you can also create your ad from this side, but the only thing is when you directly create your ad without ad account, you will not get whole control of your ad. Okay, there is some limitation. You can just create ad using your Instagram account, Instagram page, but the only limitation is you will not get all the features. So to use all the features, to get more control of your ads, your account, you should go for Facebook MetaSuite. And as a professional, we would always use this Facebook Meta Business Suite. Okay, so any notification you will get here regarding your any type of page, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever it is. And this is the inbox where you will see the message, the content that you posted, Planner is simply means how you will schedule it. Okay, like for different days, you can just schedule post, and this is the monthly view. And I can just design the post and post schedule it for a particular day. Okay, like schedule post, schedule story, create a reel, or schedule an ad. If I go for schedule a post, then it will show me the screen of a post. Okay, so I have to just enter the date, times, and save. Okay. Here I can just add my text. Okay, and if I want to share a media, I can use it here and do this. And where to post on the this page. Okay, and here you can see the ad, the ad we will run, the inside of the page that you were asking about, like are we able to see it? Definitely in Meta Business Suite you will see it here, and you can also see in your page as well, like in your page. So this is the professional dashboard of the page. This is not Facebook business suite. This is the business suite. Okay, where everything, every asset comes here. This is just a Facebook page, and it's professional dashboard. Here we can see the analytics, and from here you can go for ads manager. So this is Facebook ad account. There is a Facebook, not Facebook, Meta Business Suite. Under Meta Business Suite, you can just add your pages, your ad accounts, okay, in one place, and you can access everything from Meta Suite. Okay, and this is a Facebook page, professional dashboard. Okay, this is the home page for DM testing page, and this is the page. And if I want to see the inside, I can just click on that and it will just redirect me to the professional dashboard of your page. Got it? And this is the ad account. And you can just make an ad from your Facebook page itself. Like I come here, ad center, and from here I can just create an ad as well without Facebook or Meta Business Suite or Ad Manager account. I can create an ad from here itself. Okay, but there would be a lack of feature from this side or from an ad account. Got it, everyone? Yeah. So here is the account overview. It will give me the details like the name and the advertisement you are running, the campaigns that we will run. Okay, and the pattern is same. Under your campaign, you have an ad sets which consists your ad copies. Ad ads reporting, like how your ad is performing. Okay, in ad reporting you can see how your ad is performing. Okay, how many clicks you are getting. So here you can see the name, the ad set name, delivery, reach. Okay, it is active or not. All these things will be able to see here. Then comes the point which is uh, very critical, like the audience. Okay, so if I create a custom audience, okay, so here you can see it is asking for the source. If like for the bomber example, they have created an ad using a website. कि कोई उनके वेबसाइट पे आया, उनको उसको टारगेट करना है, सो दे विल क्लिक हेयर. ओके, सो this we are not creating an ad, we are creating an audience source. Okay, we are creating audience and we can use it in our ad. I will show it later. And if we are using the meta sources like Facebook listing page, Instagram account, okay, a lead form or shopping, so these are the things that is connected to meta, so we can target it without using the pixel code. So if I use the Instagram account, people who have interacted my Instagram account should see this ad. I can click here. Okay. So there would be ID. Okay. Everyone who engaged with this professional account. Okay. Anyone who visited this professional account profile, I can select different things here, like people who send message to this professional account, who save any post or ad. Okay, so now I just want to make an ad, make an audience consisting all the people who has just visited this account. If I want to make more engaging, then I can just create people who send a message to this professional account would be able to see this. Okay, this is how you can use the data of the meta to target a specific audience. So what is the retention? 365 days. People who have sent me message from last 65 days, people who visited the profile from last 65 days would be able to see the result. If I want to include more people, I can click on here. If I want to exclude someone, I can just click here, and I have to just add things. Okay, so audience name, what is the audience name? Insta. So this custom audience is created. Now when we create an ad, we can use this audience. Okay, so there's a, now you can see that there is an audience that is Instagram visitors. Now it automatically take all the people. If I created audience today and if I create an ad tomorrow, then it automatically include all the people who visited my profile from today to tomorrow as well, along with the other people from last 365 days. Got it? We have seen like how Facebook and other social media contribute in our marketing campaigns. And in social media, a very popular platform is Facebook because its broadness in audience, like it's have billions of people who are actively using Facebook over a month. That's why Facebook become very important. But when we see organic reach, there are two type of reach on every platform, even in the search engines, and we have seen that there is a difference between organic and paid one. So when you work on Google, when you work on blog post writing, so their organic reach depends on the type of your SEO, your keywords, your content. But when we talked about organic reach on social media platform, so it's very hard nowadays. Either you have to do any trending thing, like any popular thing, concept working, like particular meme or particular trend related to any news. So that will help you for a very short time. Okay, but for long term, you will not get organic reach easily, especially on social media platform. And when we talked about Facebook, so Facebook is getting reach on Facebook is very hard. Okay, especially for your Facebook pages. Not everyone like page and start following it because the broadness of audience is higher. So either you have to make sure you are consistent while creating content and sharing, inviting people to your page, or doing all the things that comes under organic reach, so that you can build an audience. But it is a little bit hard. So, and another alternative is there, which is known as Facebook ads. It is very popular because Facebook has a large number of audience. Okay, every type of people using Facebook, eh, and with the use of the data that Facebook have, we can just customize our advertisement and target the specific people who can purchase. Okay, who can be our client. So using that data, we can easily target our potential customers. That's why Facebook ads are very popular, because they have a huge number of data, and through that we can easily target. Another important thing is Facebook has three platforms. Okay, Facebook itself. Facebook, it means Meta. Meta has three platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. In terms of advertisement, uh, right now, WhatsApp don't show any ad. Ads are visible on Facebook and Instagram. So these two platforms are very popular, Facebook and Instagram. All the teenagers have account on Instagram. Okay. So using these ads, we can reach these people, teenagers, and people who are a little bit older are using Facebook as well as Instagram. So using these two platforms, we can directly reach to them. So before coming to Facebook ad, we have to understand that what is our business, what is our business need. Facebook can place your ad using different placement. Around 16 placement are there, like the side column ad that you see on your feed, story ads, ads on the reel, ads on the videos. Okay, and in feed ads, and on Instagram you can see ads on the explore page, Instagram story ad, Instagram reel ad. So all these ad can be created using Facebook ad, the ad account that we have for Meta. Okay, and we can easily create these ad and place on the appropriate position. And generally, we can just go for all the placement as far as the business. So here, how you can start advertising your company on Facebook. So when we talk about Facebook, it also include Instagram, because Instagram is the part of Meta, which is Facebook. Okay, so when we create an ad, then definitely it will be visible to Instagram audience as well. So first we have to select the goal. We will look at the ad as well, so you don't have to go on theory. So before starting the advertisement, understand your business. Okay, understand your client, like what it is, what the service they are providing. On that basis, you can design the ad. You can just select the goal. Okay, majority of time it would be like a traffic ad where you want to take the Facebook traffic to the website traffic. Okay, so first we will talk about the dashboard. This is a Facebook ad dashboard. You can access it from your Meta Business Suite. Okay, so this is the Facebook Business Suite. Okay, here you will get all the data regarding the account that you have on Meta. That is Facebook, Instagram. The Facebook page is integrated, and here, if you have Instagram account, you can integrate it here. You can create posts from here itself. Okay, and all the data will be visible at this side. Your post, your growth, and all that. And from this side, you can access your ad manager account. When you click here, you will we on this page. Okay, so first we see the account overview. On this section you can see the current campaigns that you are running, okay, their result, along with some recommendation here that it says one task need to complete, and all the basic data of your advertisement account. Then comes the campaign. On this section you will be able to see all the campaigns that you are running, okay, and it starts from here. You can, when you create a campaign, you will click here, you will start creating campaign. This is the feature of copy. You can just copy a particular campaign and make a duplicate copy of any of them. To open this feature, you have to select one. Okay, now I just selected this one campaign, and if I click here, it will be duplicated. It will ask about the number of copies I want to create. Okay, so this is how you can use it. And when I just check mark this campaign or any one of the campaign, I will be able to edit it as well. And you can edit using this button as well. Here, all the buttons are available. The duplicate one, edit one. You can see the charts of the growth of the advertisement, how it is performing, and you can ping the campaign here. And A/B test is like when you are just testing two ads for one particular product, you can go for these features. Okay, and when you copy any one of them, this feature will be visible. This one is okay. So if you have any doubt draft, you can just discard it from here as well, and you can also use from this side. You can edit from this side, and once you go on click on the edit, you will be able to see the whole page just like that, and you can see the other options from this side. You can delete, duplicate, copy, all those. And this is the delete option. Okay, this is the campaign tag that we use. This option is for importing and export the information that you have on your campaigns. And these are the rules. So rules means we can create rules for our ad account, like for the campaign. Like if we are running multiple campaigns and we don't want to overlap each of them, and we don't want that our own ad becomes a competition to each other. So that's the condition of rules we can use, and we can just design the rules like if this is the interest of this ad, then our ad won't be visible. So it is a the concept of on the expert side. Generally, we don't use it because when we create campaign, we design it separately, and we can design multiple ad copies in the terms of A/B testing, or when we design multiple ad for a single ad set or a single campaign, then we can design it appropriately that it don't overlap. So this section is about column performance. Okay, here you can see, you can just click any one of them, like engagement. So you would be able to see the page engagement, post reaction, comment section, and all that. Okay, this one is the breakdown of like in what terms you want to see the pattern here. Like I want to break down the whole data in terms of countries, so I will click on the country. Okay, so these are just features, but all the important data would be shown here. And when you click on the reports, you can export the table, the whole thing in a CSV file. And here you can also see I just click on the campaign. This whole data is showing for the whole campaigns. When I click on this side for the ad set, so I would be able to see the ad set. This is one of the ad set. Okay. And when we click on ads for one campaign, so we will see the ad copy of all the campaigns. So right now we have one ad set, so it is visible here, and one campaign on that ad set, it is visible here. And you can just also break down things by day, how many days these campaign working, the age group you are targeting, the placement of the ads. Okay, so placement means sometimes you just want to run your ad on Facebook. You don't want to run your ad on Instagram. So that is the terms of placement. Countries, on which country you are ad is showing, platform that you are using, all these things. And in when we talk about placement, so it also means the messenger ads, the right column ad, the in-feed ad. These are the placement. And when we talk about platform, so Instagram and Facebook are the two platforms. So here you can just on or off your campaign, like from these button, you can just on or off. Okay. And this is the campaign name. This is delivery means the status of your campaign. Are they active or are they in the draft section or are they off? Okay. So attribution setting is here you can see 7-day click. So attribution setting simply means it optimize your ad for the people who can convert within the period of 7 days. So this data would be visible here. What are the chance that someone who clicked your ad but didn't convert it, someone who just engaged with your ad but they didn't complete all the event that you want, and there is a chance that they will be a converted one. They will be converted. So if there is a chance that Facebook can convert them, then definitely that data will be here. Not that data, but the number of days the Facebook ad will use. Like here, you can see the 7-day click. That means when someone engaged with your ad within 7 days, Facebook tried to optimize the ad advertisement for that particular person. If the system find that this person can be converted on the basis of the behavior they're doing or the backend work of the system of Meta. So result simply means the result of your page, like whatever the result you set for conversion, whatever it is. Reach means number of people see your ad, unique number of people see your ad. Frequency is how many times it is visible for that particular person. Cost per result is the cost that you are, how much you are paying for one particular conversion. Budget is the overall budget amount spent that you, the amount, overall amount that you spend. Okay, let's suppose you have the budget of 500 and you spend for 450 rupees. So this is the difference. And here you can see the end, it is not ended, it is ongoing. Impression means number of people see your ad, and the basic difference between reach and impression is impression can be calculated as if I see an ad for 2 times. So the reach is 1 and impression is 2. Okay. Then cost per 1000 impression. This data is not important if you are just running a CPC ad. Link clicks, the link you posted, are people clicking on it? And all the data like click through rate, clicks, number of clicks that you are getting, and CPC, what is the CPC of this particular ad campaign? And you can also see the post reaction. If people are giving you any kind of reaction, like a like, or when people reacted on a post, any comment that you are getting, the number of comment would be visible here. Number of post shares are visible here. And yes, I forgot to tell about the share and save on Instagram. On all the platforms, it gives an option to save. When people start saving your content, saving your post, then it is a very good symbol that people are liking your content, and Google will, and not Google, Facebook will enhance your post organically. So whenever you create content, make sure that you provide content that helps people, and you can ask them to just save the post for future. That's why so many content creators, when they provide any advice, like technical content creators who provide technical advices, so they, after giving the advice, they say just make sure to save this post for the future. Have you heard any one of you? So the purpose is not to just provide you value, but saving your post give the algorithm symbol that the content is very useful, that people are saving it. Okay, so make sure whenever you are creating content, people start saving it, and share. You know what is the meaning of share? When they share, that means they are liking it. So the first is the number of likes, second is the comment, third is share, and fourth is the save. So these are the part of organic content achievement. And if you are getting all these four things, then definitely your organic reach will be higher as compared to other one. So ads reporting, here you can see all the reports from your advertisement. Okay, and so here you can see the reports. Okay, you can just name the report whatever you are working, and through that you can also export it from here. So when you work with a client or a company, definitely they want to see the result. On the ad campaign side, this was the basic result, the overview. Here you can create a detailed report. All the features almost same, like the amount you spend, result, attribution setting, impression reach, delivery. Okay, so it would be the same. And here you can just customize the table as well. What are the column you need on your report? Like I want age, so it would be visible here. The age section is coming here. Okay, gender, if we are running ads on the basis of the gender, then I can click on this thing, it would be visible here. So audience is the base of our advertisement. When we create an ad, we are creating for the people. Okay, so what type of audience we are targeting, it is very important to understand. So there are two type of audience, three type of audience. The number one is the first audience that we target. Number second is the custom audience that already knows our brand, that previously engaged with us. And third one is the lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is the one that who have similar interest, similar behavior, but they don't know about the brand. For example, there are two guys like Ramesh or Suresh. Ramesh is the one that who knows that you have a fitness brand. Okay, you create or sales product related to gym or sports things. Okay, so Ramesh know it. So Ramesh would be under the section of comes under the section of custom audience, because he knows that you are a brand on this fitness industry. But Suresh is the another person who also goes gym just like Ramesh, who who is interested in sport, who buy things related to sports like gym wears, running shoes, all this. But Suresh don't know about your brand. He doesn't have an idea like you are existing there. So shoelace will be in the section of comes in the section of lookalike audience. Got it? So in terms of Facebook advertisement, we have to just create all the audience separately and we will target according to that. So while creating an ad, we can target audience from the when we create the advertisement from that as well. But if we have data and we want to create audience separately, so we can use this section. Just like here, we have to just click here and we have to choose, are we creating custom audience or lookalike audience? Okay, so if I choose custom audience, so definitely it will ask me for the data, like how, what is the source of the data. Like if you want to create a custom audience, then definitely we are telling Meta that I want to create a list of people who already know my brand. That means who already comes to my website. So if I want to create a list of audience who already come to my website, then how Facebook know that? Who are the people? That's why we have to tell the source, like website. Okay, or I have a customer list, so I can click here. An offline activity or app activity or catalog, that means people who interact with my catalog. Generally most of the time we use these two features like app activity and website, because majority of users comes here and majority of data are available on website and app site. Okay, but if you want to target people who are coming to your Instagram page, who are checking your Instagram, who are your followers, so we can use meta sources. That's why you can see there are two sections, your sources and meta sources. So meta sources are like the one that contains under the meta umbrella. Okay, like videos, lead forms, Instagram account, or Facebook page. So if I click here, so it will be ask me for the pixel. Okay, so I will show you about pixel, what is the use of it. Pixel is the gateway or is the bridge that connects our Facebook ad account and the website. Like using the data, it understand that who are the people coming to your website. Okay, so what is the event? We want to target all the visitors who comes to our website. Okay, so in terms of when we use traffic for website, okay, and we are using website as a source, so we can just design the event as well. Like we want to target all the visitors, or we want to target visitors who just visit a specific page on our website. And at last, you can see visitors by time spent. If I click here, then definitely I have to mention the time, like how much time they have spent it there. So we can target all the website visitors. Retention means in the last how many days they have spent. Okay, like I want to target people uh, who comes to my website from last 30 days. Okay, if I want to create or include more people, I will click here. Okay, so here again I can target other people. Okay, if I want to exclude some people, I can just exclude from there as well. Like I want to target all the website visitors, but some people who visited a particular page, I don't want to target them, so I can click here. So it will target all the website visitors excluding the people who are coming to a particular page. Got it? So we can name it test, and we can provide description as well. This is not visible to anyone. This is just visible for to us. Okay, and the name and description is just for us, and we can just create the audience. Once I am done with that, then it says populating. Now, using the pixel data, it will fetch my website visitors, like from how like we have mentioned 30 days. So it will calculating the number of people and understanding that data, like how much people are coming there, who are they, what are their interests, and how the system can target them. Okay, got it? The concept of audience, and same goes for lookalike audience. Okay. For lookalike audience, so we have to select the source. So again, we will use the pixel, because using that, the Facebook can understand the data. So select an event with value. Now Meta want to understand that how you will say, how you will tell them that which is a lookalike person. Okay, so generally it says purchase, like people who are buying things, and they will just understand the data, like people who are buying online from Facebook ads or other platform, they will target it again. And this select the audience size. Here you can see the number of lookalike audience. When I just increase the percent to 2%, then definitely the number of and the broadness of our ad will be increased. But the percentage here you can see is like comparing percentage, like um, what is the similarity between the lookalike audience. If I increase to 10%, then definitely the number of people will be increased, and the lookalike will be not that similar as compared to the 1%. So here you can see a 1% lookalike consists of the account center accounts most similar to your lookalike audience source. Increasing the percentage creates a bigger and broader audience. So if I increase the percentage from this scale, then definitely audience will be increased, and the similarity between the lookalike audience will be decreased. Okay, and here we can select the location as well. So this section is not important. Understand about the audience. So understanding about your need and the business, you can just create your audience, and the then comes the concept of pixel. Like we are creating custom audience, lookalike audience, and you have seen a pixel there. So here you can see all tools. Okay, from there you can just come to the event manager. So you have to just click all tools option, and you will see event manager. So here you can see the pixel. This is one of the pixel that we have, and every account has just one pixel, not multiples. So I click there. Okay. So this is the pixel for this particular account. Now, and here you will see the data. When you add this one pixel to the website, the data will be shown here. Okay, and you can just This is for API for when you are working with a server and you want to integrate it. You can use that app API. But when we are targeting using website, we just have to set up the metapixel. Okay, you will get the option like gather website event from the browser activity. So we will set up from there, set up metapixel. So here you are getting two options like install code manually and check for partner. So what pixel is? Pixel is just a code, and that the meta provides, and you will add that code to your website. Once you add that code to the website, meta is able to track the events on the website, like how many people are coming, okay, what who are the people are coming. On that basis is fetch the data and help you to target those people. Got it? What is the meaning of pixel, everyone? So pixel simply means a code that meta provides, and we copy that code from here and paste it to the website. I will show you. Okay, so this particular code help meta to understand metrics from your website, and through that it fetch data from the website, like who are the people coming to your website, who have already check out your website. And if we want to target that people using metapixel, Facebook can target that people. Like when I show you an example of bummer, when we are talking about when we are talking about the web pages, I think. So I showed you the example of bummer. So I just explore their website. Okay, so when I start using Facebook, I was targeted by their ad. How that was possible? Because I explored their website, the metapixel was embedded on their website, and when I explore, my system data is stored on the website, and that data is fetched by Facebook, and using that data, they targeted me an advertisement. Okay, so we can just install pixel by three or four ways. Just we can install it manually, we can use plugins, we can use Google Tag Manager, and we can go for the partner programs. So basically most of the time we go for partner, or we just embedded it manually. And if we are using Google Tag Manager, and if you have a team that works on different platforms, they can go for Google Tag Manager as well. So the basic thing is how we can install it manually. It's very easy. Once you understand that you want to connect website activity using pixel, you will get two options here: install code manually or check for partners. First we will see install code manually. Once you click that, it will show the data, okay, the JavaScript code. Okay, this is the code, this is the metapixel. Here you can see it start with metapixel code. We just have to copy this one. By clicking this button, you will able to copy this. So the whole code is copy. Okay, after that we have to paste it on our website. Okay, but where we will paste? If you have a website on HTML, you have to paste it before the head tag. Okay, like here it also provide the advice: paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section, just above the header closing head tag. Okay, so just like that. Okay, I will show you. Okay, in the free website is not giving the option. So when you use WordPress CMS for your website, you can simply copy this code. Okay, click on the appearance and you will get the option like theme editor. थीम फीचर एडिटर करके एक ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ मिलता है पेड वन में. You can use that one, and once you click on that option, a code will be open here, the website code, and you can paste it the pixel here. Okay, like so this is the head tag and this is the closing one. So यहाँ मैं aspect से खोलूँ, यहाँ से नहीं होगा वो. Just like this type of code is visible here on this screen. Okay, once you access the option of theme feature editor. So you just have to paste it before the end, this one, this tag, closing head. You just have to click here, okay? And so this is the closing head. इस टाइप का कोड आपको यहाँ देखने को भी मिलेगा. And if you have a HTML website, then similarly, you have a code just like this on the backend side, and you have to paste that particular pixel code from above this head tag. Okay, from here you can just paste that code. Once you paste that and update it, the pixel code would be visible here and active on your website. Got it? Little bit about coding, but you don't have to write any code. You just have to copy this code. You have to copy the code and paste it before the head tag, closing head tag. Okay, just like that. This is a very easy way. And if you are using HTML, then you can paste it. If you are using WordPress CMS, you can also use the feature of theme feature editor. You will get the option here. Okay, and you can also paste it using the plugin. A plugin name. You can use this plugin. This is Pixel Cat. Okay, this is a free plugin, but requires a plan to operate. Like if we have a paid version of CMS, WordPress CMS, we can just install this plugin without paying anything. Okay, we can install it and just paste the code and track using that. So these are the two ways from where you can just um, install the pixel. The third one is the Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is the platform where you integrate your website. Okay, so Google Tag Manager has multiple features of tagging, tracking, and it has also code. So you can, so this is Google Tag Manager. This is your website. You connect your website with Tag Manager, and this is the pixel code. You paste the code from into the Tag Manager. So Tag Manager will be the one between the two things where everything will work. And the another one is you can go for partner program that we have seen. Like if I click on setup meta tag, so here we will have two options: install code manually that we have seen, and we go for partners, check for partner. So these are the platform. Like here you can see Google Tag Manager. If we are using any of the platform like Magento, if we are using Magento for the website, or Shopify website, if we have a store on Shopify, so we can click here Okay, so and WordPress is also there. If our website on WordPress, we can just click here. We just have to integrate the platform. Okay, and the meta pixel will be active on the platform that we are selecting. Got it? Metapixel is simple, like it is a code that we paste on our website through that which we can connect our website and Meta account so that we can target people who have already visited our website and we can remarket using this. Everything is clear, everyone? So, okay, I will show you the ad. So these are the important things that you must know before starting with Facebook Ad Manager. And this is the billing side. You have to add the money. The everything is similar, just like Google Ad Manager. The only difference is you can use the UPI for payment to Facebook advertisement. Okay, it will give option for credit card, debit cards, net banking, and you can also use UPI. That most of the time don't work. So once if you want to create a new campaign, just click here. Okay, you will get option for the campaign objective. Like what is our objective? It is up for the awareness campaign. It is for the traffic one, for engagement, for generating leads, for app promotion, or for directly sales from the advertisement. Okay, so let's go for traffic because it completes all the feature that comes under advertisement. So here you can see it says tailor web traffic campaign. So once you go with this option, so it will directly created by AI. Okay, Facebook automatically adjust the bid amount. Okay, like it optimize your advertisement by themselves. So majority of options will be erected once you go for this site because Facebook will manage automatically all these things. And when you set up manually and go, you will be able to see this section. So this is the new traffic campaign. That is our campaign name. This is new traffic ad set. That is the ad set name on this campaign. And new traffic ad is the ad copy that comes under the ad set. Okay, we can change the name. Okay, can give the name and special ad categories. So there are four categories that comes under special categories. This one you can see credit card, employment, housing, and social issues. Credit card means if you have a service like credit card, loans, financial services, then you have to select this one. Okay, if you provide employment related things, if your ad is related to employment, okay, professional services like internship programs and all that, or education related thing, you can go for this one, employment. If you have a real estate business like ads for property listing, home insurance, mortgages, or other related opportunities, you can click this one. And if you are running ad for social issue or for election or for a particular politician, you can select this one. These three categories are very, you can just neglect sometimes. Okay, like sometimes you are in the financial service, but not that. type, like you are providing loans or anything. So you can just ignore one. I would recommend to don't ignore anything, but these things are very easy. Facebook don't take it more seriously. But the last one is very important. If you are running ad for social issues or election, then make sure you select this option, because if you are not selecting this option and creating ad, so the issue is your ad will be suspended and it will affect on the overall advertisement of your ad account. Okay, and you can be banned by Meta. So make sure to use the appropriate options. But if your ad doesn't come on any category, you can go for that. If you are just an e-commerce store, then you don't have to select any of the options. But if it comes under the category of real estate, employment, credit, or social issues, make sure to select the option. Got it? And when you select the option, you have to verify yourself. Okay. So for verifying yourself, it will ask for the identity proof, either for Aadhaar card, driving license, or PAN card, or anything. You have to just enter that. You have to verify yourself that you are a actual person, so that if the ad mislead anything, Facebook have data who run the ad. Okay, so these special categories added because they want to make sure whatever ad running on their platform are secure and don't mislead the customers. Okay, so here are the campaign details. That buying type is auction. Okay, and the campaign objective is traffic. We can also edit from here. So, campaign spending limit. So this is not the overall budget of your ad account. This is just how much you will spend for this campaign. You can edit it from here. Add a spending campaign limit, and we can just spend whatever the amount we want to add. Like if I want to spend only 1000 rupees, so I can just set the limit. Okay, and once it touches this amount of 1000, the ad will be stopped. We can A/B test from here. If we want to test multiple ad copies, we can just click on this option. Advantage campaign budget. Advantage campaign budget will distribute your campaign across ad set to more result depending on your delivery optimization. So according to the performance, it optimize your ad automatically for different ad sets. Okay, this is the campaign level we are talking. So once you on it, so it will give an option for the campaign budget. Okay, if you have ad set that requires more budget control, you can set minimum or maximum spending limit. So we can select the daily budget and lifetime budget. The difference between daily budget and lifetime budget is, daily budget is how much you want to spend per day. Lifetime budget is the overall campaign budget. Like when I just go for daily budget, so it means I want to spend 800 rupees per day. Okay, but if I select lifetime budget, so my overall budget for this particular campaign, like it will run for a month. If I select daily budget, so for next 30 days, I will spend 1000 rupees daily. Okay, so this would be the daily budget. I will spend, the time period of the campaign is 30 days, and daily I will spend 1000 rupees. Okay, if I go for lifetime budget, so lifetime means the overall schedule of the budget, not for that entire lifetime. Lifetime simply means the time period of the campaign. So for, if the ad is for 30 days, So this is the lifetime of the advertisement, the 30 days. So in 30 days, I want to spend this amount. So Facebook automatically distribute this amount each day, and it optimize it accordingly according to the performance. Okay. Once we close it, so we'll don't get any option. So ad set name is, so we have selected the ad set name, and now we have to select the conversion. So conversion location is, choose where you want to drive traffic. Okay, you will enter more details about the destination later. Like destination is simply means where we want to take our website, our ad visitors. Just like I want to send them to my website, send traffic to your website. If I want to select them to application, I can select here. If I want them people to message me for my consulting services, so I will go for messaging app. If I want to promote my Instagram profile, I can select this one. And this option is not visible because we have selected website traffic when we start the ad. So performance goal is maximum number of link clicks. What we want to get maximum number of link clicks. And here you can see maximum number of landing page views. Link clicks, once they click on the link, it is calculated here. If I select this option, that means I want to check, are they coming to my landing page or not. When we go for number of clicks, that simply means we want maximum number of link clicks on our advertisement. And when I select this one, it simply means maximum number of people coming to that particular landing page. Okay. So this is the optional one, like what would be the cost per result we want. So set a goal if you are aiming for a certain cost per result. To set your goals, use cost per result data for previous campaigns with the same optimization, event, and attribution setting. If you don't set a cost per result goal, Meta will focus on spending your entire budget and getting more result. So once you enter any amount, you restrict your advertisement. Like Facebook will, the Meta will not automatically optimize it because you have a restriction. Like I don't want to spend this more from this amount. So it would be the Facebook will be unable to optimize the ad. So when you are charged impression or link clicks, now it is saying impression, and once the ad is visible in front of the screen of the user, we have to pay. And delivery type is always standard, 99 times. So dynamic creative simply means you will provide images, headline, and Facebook will automatically adjust themselves. We will look at the ad copy, this part, when we create the ad copy. And now you will create the daily budget and lifetime budget. This section is important in terms of how much we want to spend. If we select the daily budget, so this is the amount that we will spend each day for our Facebook ad. If I select the lifetime budget, then definitely the overall budget I want to spend, and Facebook automatically spend daily budget, automatically set it as per the performance and optimization. And you can schedule the advertisement when you want to start from this one. Okay. And the timing when we want to start the advertisement, and we can also select the end date. And when you go here, you will get two options, daily budget and lifetime budget. When you set the daily budget, you have to enter the amount. You just have to enter the start date. Okay. And if you unselect this one, the end date simply means वो जब तक चल रहा है, till the point you have money or you don't stop in it. and this option is not visible when we select the daily budget. Okay, what this means, ad scheduling. Like if we I want to show ad to people as per as the weekdays and particular timing. If I want to show my ad for particular weekdays, then I can go for this option, ad scheduling. I can just run ads on schedule. So now it is giving me option for the weekdays. Like I can select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Sunday, and it is also giving me option from 12 a.m. to 9 p.m. the overall timings, okay, of the day. Now I decided that I will show my advertisement for all the day, but from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. My audience or the type of people I want to target active on this timing. So I can select like this. If I want to just target Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday, Sunday, I can select this one from the timings. Okay, so now you can see here I just cover the portion from Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So on this time, my ad would be visible in front of the users. Okay, these are the schedule hours, schedule timings. But this option is only available when you select the lifetime budget. If I select or go for daily budget, then this option is not visible. Got it? And it depends on you. Like, let's suppose you are targeting teenagers. Okay, and you are targeting teenagers who generally on the college or on their schools, and they comes after 3 p.m., 4 p.m. and stay awake from night. And you understand that most majority of your targeted people, targeted visitors are active on social media from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m., 12 a.m. in the night. So you can just select this one and target them. So this is a use case where you can target them using ad scheduling. Got it? So here comes the other options, that is audience control. Set a criteria for where ads for this campaign can be delivered. So basic is our location in India. That's why that is visible here. Okay. And if you have multiple locations, okay, so you can just enter all the location that you want to target, and using this option, add location in bulk. Let's suppose you want to target particular cities, particular towns in a particular area. You can just go for add location in bulk. Location type, you have to select the countries you want to target. Designated market areas are simply the marketed areas of particular region, particular city. You want to target using towns or city or postal address. If I select postal address, it gives me the options. And make sure if you are going for postal address, select the country. Okay, so I go for location type postal address, default country is in India. So just give, you can give me your or any of the postal address that is legal. Any one of you, I am showing you an example. 5600. Okay. Anyone else? 55403. 58. Is it correct? And these are the three postal address that is illegal, and I will mention any random one. Okay. And we can also drag and drop or choose a file if we have. Okay. And match location. So here it mentioned three locations. We added four locations. Okay. And here you can see I just added this one location. This comes under this town or city. Under the region, this one country is India. Here you can see this is another town or city, comes under Karnataka, India. Another Karnataka related postal code address. But I have also mentioned another postal address randomly, and when the system detected, it found it error that it doesn't exist. That's why it shows one location couldn't be added. Edit your list below. Okay, so it automatically just scan through map or all the things, and you can easily show the ad locations where you are going to target. Once I add the three locations, so these locations are added. Okay, these locations are added. Here you can see, and this one comes under Madhya Pradesh, one from near Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay. You can also see more information, more options, and the people you want to target. It was related to the location. This thing is related to locations. Okay. And you can also mention other location as well. Like I want to target Bhopal. So Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Subhas Nagar is a place under Bhopal. That's why it's a neighborhood. Open Colony, Ashok Nagar, Habibganj. Okay. Char Imli is also the part of Bhopal. So it is showing me the neighborhood, a particular area. If I want to select the whole Bhopal, I just select it. So along with these address, the ad will be targeted to Bhopal as well. And I can select the range, like what would be the range of the target audience. Like I want to select under 50 kilometers. So here you can see the it will target the radius of around 50 kilometers. And along with Bhopal, there are other few places which also be target like Sihor, Raisen, Vidisha. Okay, so Facebook have this features that you can use to target a particular place, and you can also target a particular market on your area. Like Habibganj is a part of Bhopal. It's a small location on in Bhopal. If I want to target that one separately, now if I selected Bhopal, that automatically comes there. But if I don't want to target the whole Bhopal, I just want to target that particular area, I can also select this option. Got it? The location feature. So this is the location feature that we can use. Now comes the demographic. Like what would be the minimum age? We will see the advanced option below. Okay. So yes, I want to give the minimum age should be 18 and exclude these custom audience. So if I search here, we can see the audience that we have created on the audience section. It is visible here, like the Instagram visitors, YouTube viewers, or test audience we have created for the website. So if I select this one, so this ad would be not targeted to these people, these test audience, because we are selecting them under the feature of excluding. We want to exclude people who have already visited our website. Okay, we can select the languages now. Right now it is select all language. We can go for Hindi, English, whatever you want. So advanced plus audience, our ad technology, it automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, we will prioritize audience matching this profile before searching more widely. So first it will target people who are similar to what we are looking for. Then it will target other people. And here If you don't want to automatically or don't want to use the advanced features for audience targeting, we can go for the traditional way. So if you want to add the custom audience, so we can select any one of them, like the test audience we created or whatever audience we created, it will be visible here. If I want to target all the Instagram visitors, so I can go for this one that we have created. These audience are not present automatically. We have to create the from the audience section. Okay, we have to create the audience and we can use it from here. And if you want to exclude any one of them, we can click on this option. Now comes the section of the demographics. What is the age group that we want to target? It is from 18 to 45. So we want to target people who comes from under the category of 18 years of age to 45 years of age. Okay. Gender. I just want to target only men. So I can select it here. Now detailed targeting. So here you can see the demographics, interest or behavior. So these are the three things. Demographics simply means the age, the gender, okay, and other demographic related things. Yes. So interests are what are the interests of the user? Like what type of pages they like, what are the accounts or pages that they follow or interact or engage with them. It comes under the section of interest. What are the topic of their interest? Behavior is like what are the devices they use? Okay. Are they buying online? Okay. So these are the three categories. If I click here, I can select the demographics. So under demographic section, education is also a part. If I want to target people who are on the school or universities, we can just click on there and search for university who are studying on Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. I can select it here. Okay. So here you can see the estimated daily result is like this would be the reach that we will get, and this would be the link clicks. Okay. So okay, I have selected this. Again, I will browse and I want to target who is studying on Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science and who are in the business industry in the marketing. Okay, so this is also selected. So I have selected demographic that is Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. I want to target these people. I also target people who are interested in advertising and marketing. So seriously, these things, this is not how ad works. Like if I selected Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, then definitely I am including people from bio side, and here I am selecting the marketing side. I am showing these things for just example. Okay. Oh, so let's add. We can also select the household income, and it is showing me the data for US because I don't know why, but Facebook ad only shows household income just for the US people because they have data. I think that's why. So I can also select the education level if I want to target the university people who are studying all the postgraduate, doctorate. So here you can see the size of the audience. Okay, I selected a demographic based on the education level. At high school, would be the size. Okay, so I selected these things. I selected people who are studying on university, who are postgraduate, who have doctorate degree, and who are interested on marketing. Okay, now I can select the behavior. So here you can see like if they have any anniversary or birthdays, also is the part of behaviors, consumer classification, digital activities, what they are doing. These things comes under the section of behavior. So if they are mobile device users, if I just want to target Facebook users who are using from mobile, I can also select it from here. I can also select mobile devices by brand like BlackBerry or Apple. If I want to select all the users from Apple who use or access Facebook, I can select that one. It is giving me all the options. If I want to target Samsung people, so it is giving me option for Samsung Galaxy Note 2, Tab, Galaxy Grand, all the options. We can also target using the type of phone they are using, like Xiaomi. Okay, who owns Xiaomi? So here you can see after selecting all these things, our audience estimated result are we will get 9,000 to 27,000 of reach and 200 to 583 clicks. And here you can see our audience definition. Make sure that your audience always comes under the section of green sign. If it comes on this side, that is green, that is red, it simply means your audience size is too narrow. And if it is too broad, then you will waste a lot of money. So make sure this section is always green when you select the audience. So from this side, you can see the estimated audience size is this one. This much people will be targeted. Okay, and this is the audience size, and you will get this much reach. So we have designed ad that people who comes under this age, who are men, who are mobile users, who are using all type of Facebook, all any type of operating system and using Facebook from mobile, and their mobile should be Xiaomi, and their education level should be at university, either they are studying, either they are postgraduate or a doctor's certificate, or they have interest of advertisement. So these are the things that a particular user have. So our ad will be shown to them. And if you want to exclude any one of them, you can just click this option. You will get the again the same option, and you can just select the audience that you don't want to target. And we want to when we want to narrow down our audience, we can go for that option and again select just like this. When we use the narrow option, it simply means here you can see I am targeting people who are on this age group, who are men, and on detailed targeting, if they comes on any of the category, they would be able to see the result. But if I go for narrow targeting, then I have to select the condition. They, if I select, okay, a postgraduate, so when we use narrow targeting, so we can select the demographics, and Here you can also see and must also match. If I select any demographic, like they are postgraduate, I don't know why it is not showing. Okay, so they are studying and education level should be postgraduate and also match. And they are postgraduate and they have interest on business and finance. Okay, so if these two conditions meet, then only our ad will be shown to them in narrow targeting. That's why you can see the audience size comes down from some 8 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Okay, so this is how you can use narrow targeting and broad targeting as per as your service or what the audience base you are targeting. And here you can save this audience for later. You can give the audience name as so it is saved. Okay, we can use it further for other ad if you want. Now comes the part of placement. Placement is simply where your ad will be shown, like Messenger or all that. So it gives an option for advantage plus placement. You can easily go for this one. It will automatically show to the place where it is mostly clicked by the user, or you can use the manual placement. So here you can select the platforms and devices. In-stream video ads for video reels. Okay. Instagram Shop is no longer available for the net present. You can turn ads on Instagram video. So it just erected the option for Instagram Shop ad that Instagram has a feature where you can just showcase in the marketplace. So they are no longer available to place the ad. You can use Instagram feed ads or Instagram Explore ad for placement of your advertisement. So here you can see the option for placement. So this is the feed ad. Okay. This is Instagram feed ad. This is Instagram profile feed, marketplace, Facebook, video feeds. Okay. And here you can see the preview of all these things. When I just hover down the option, it showing me the preview of that one. This is the right column ad. This will be in the explore page. Okay. This is how the explore page ad will be shown, just like this. Messenger inbox ad. Okay, if you are showing ad for Jasper's Market uh, for Messenger, you can see the ad like this. So in Instagram stories, your ad will be shown like this, and Facebook stories same, and you will get the option of learn more. You can just mention it. We will see how to design it. So these are the placement where you can like on ads on Facebook Reels, ads on Instagram Reels. These things are available. You can use, check. You just have to select or unselect anyone. You can select or unselect anyone. Okay. If I don't want to see my ad on the feed, then I can just select or unselect one. Okay. Same goes for stories and in stream ads. Okay. If I want to target a specific mobile devices and operating system, we can also do this. Only when connected to Wi-Fi, no. Exclude skippable ads. We can add it in stream video ads that in Facebook we will have the feature of video ads. Facebook has a separate section for videos and where your ad can be shown. So next thing is brand safety and suitability. So it simply means where you want to show your ad, type of content that you want to exclude. Okay. Let's suppose if you have a brand that is related to spirituality or a regional product, like there is a brand name Fool who creates different type of things that use on temples. So they don't want to show their ad on any kind of abusing type of videos or any sexual related videos. Okay, so they can just exclude it from there. Okay, so here you can see it gives the option of inventory filter, Facebook in-stream video ads on Facebook Reels and ads on Instagram. Okay, so we can edit it. Generally, it is for the standard inventory. Exclude sensitive content and get a broad reach. This filters always applies unless you change it. So by default, it is there for the standard inventory. It automatically adjusts and show your content and exclude sensitive content. Like, for example, discussion of highly sexual topics, depiction of major wounds, repeated use of strong language. So on such type of content, it automatically don't show your ad. Okay, so by default, and you should always go for a standard one. And if you have a sensitive product or something that you don't want to, and you want to create your own exclusion list, you can go for that. And here it gives the option for block list, so you can just uh, if you have a block list the pages or where you don't want to show an ad, you can just go for that. You just have to create a block list. Okay, so here we can say, okay, not giving the option. So if you have already pre-built list, you can upload it, okay, using brand safety section. And this section is available from tools. From here, you will get the brand safety section. I will talk about that. And type content type of exclusion. If you want to select, if you want to exclude any type of content, you can check it out. Like, I don't want to show my ad for all the live videos or Facebook in video stream ads, so I can select this one. Okay, so this will definitely affect a different element, but as per as reach, Facebook automatically adjusts to somewhere the audience. So my audience reach would be same. If I select this one, so this option is not available. So these option is not available on the basis of the audience that we have created, and exclude and the placement, like exclude ads on Facebook Reels from pages and profile not on our publisher list. So publisher list and exclusion list are the lists that we have containing the Facebook pages and all the accounts. And if you don't have any concern related brand safety, just go for a standard inventory setting, and that's it. And the last part is the main ad section where you create your ad copy. So if you have a partnership with a brand, you have to select this one and select the identity or enter their partnership ad code. Okay. So like if they are on the Facebook, you have to select their page, or if they have an Instagram account for that brand, you have to select them so that Facebook understand that you are running ads with the this partnership. with a particular brand. And if you don't have any partner, you can just go for, you just have to select your Facebook page, okay, your identity from where you can see who is running the ad. People can understand it. And if you have an Instagram account, you can want to select, you can select from here, or you can connect the account. You can also go for, if you want to post an ad for the existing post, you can just use that one. And yes, another thing is you creative hub. I will show this one as well after this. So if I go for creative ad, so I have to select it. I have to just create it here. And if I go for creative hub mockup, then definitely in this section I will show you, we can create our ad, and we just have to select this one and it automatically uploads everything here. I will show it to you after this. So manual upload format would be a single image or video. Okay, video, if you have a carousel or types of different images where you can post and people scroll, you can also go for that, generally used for e-commerce. And if you have a collection of group items, you can select this one. So we most of the time we go for single image because these are the one that gives higher number of reach and link clicks. So here comes the creative part. Okay, so multi-advertiser ad, this is recommended by the software itself, the Facebook, and this enables the increase of your ad exposure to the people who have a shopping mindset, who have the behavior that generally buy from clicking the ad. Then the last part is ad creatives. You have to select one image. Okay, I am selecting this one. So this is how it will be shown. For the right column or search ad, it would be look like this. For stories and ad, this would be like this. And for in feeds and video ad, this look like this. Make sure when you design your creative, it should be appropriate. And this option, just like here, if you want to create another image here, we can do this using the creative hub option that we have seen. Okay, I will show it to you. I can select next. Okay, so this would be the ad, how it would be look, the feed ad, the Instagram ad. Okay, and once I done it, so here you can see the media is uploaded. Now it is showing me the preview here. So tailor your ad for the person viewing it by letting us automatically optimize your creative. This can be help improve your performance. So here you can see it for this one particular image, it will automatically optimize it for different platform for different placement automatically by Meta. Okay, this is the inbox ad. This will be shown like this. Now we have to select the primary tags. Primary tags that comes on the top of that. So let's suppose we have video editing course. So PM test app for editing. So here you can see the primary text. Okay. And if you want to add multiple tags, you can go for that. As far as the optimization, it will select different headings. So heading, and this is would be the heading part. DM test video info. Here you can see DM test video editing course. Okay, and description would be near heading. Video editing. So this is a little bit description. Okay, so for a story, so this is how your description comes here. Okay, like this. So this is the optimized text person, like it automatically optimized text for placement to placement, person to person, as per as the given headlines and text option that you provide. And then last part is the call to action. Either you want to subscribe, you want your visitor to subscribe your channel or platform, watch more, get now, get code, apply now, book now, contact us, get offer, learn now, listen now, order now, access now, get access, request time. These are the call to action that you can use. So we can go for learn more. So this is how your CTA will be visible. So here you can see the previews of different placement, like how your ad will be shown for this one. Okay. Here you can use, this would be the website mentioned. So okay. So this is the website. So let's suppose if you want, if you have a landing page that has this type of email uh, um, link. Okay. So we don't want to show our link like this. So because it is visible here on this part, so we can use a display link, right? Simply. So here you can see like this was my link, and I used display link feature and edited my link. What type of text I want to show to my people, it is visible here. Okay. So browser add-on simply means calls WhatsApp, and it is not visible on your ad. It will be shown on the browser side. So people will see your website when they tap on your ad. You can add additional contact method in the browser to help people to connect with you. So you can go for none because it is not visible right now. They only see the links, learn more. And if you want to add a call button, so you can just add it. You have to provide the number, and it is not visible here, but it would be visible on the browser of the user once they click on your ad. So it will automatically translate your ad to reach people, and Facebook have that great feature where it automatically translate the post language, not just the advertisement but the normal post. If you post anything on English, and if I'm using Hindi language, your post, your caption automatically translated into Hindi. And these are the features of tracking. So if I use website event, then definitely if we use pixel for our website. And that here you can see your meta pixel is not active because it is not getting data from my website. That's why I'm saying here, if we properly copy and paste the pixel code into the website, so they have data and they can use it from there. And URL parameter for the same. And if you are using pixel, you don't have to worry about this one, this section. This is also used for tracking purpose, and it helps you to understand where your ad traffic is coming from. So for this person, you can purpose you can use for URL parameters. You just have to select the values and you have to build a parameter here. So once you are done with this, you just have to click on the public, and here you can see it is making our ad. So it is published. Okay, it is under here. You can see it is under the processing, but we have to pay the money. Then our ad will be shown to public. Okay, so I want to show the Creative Hub. So from all tools, you will get the option for Creative Hubs. You just have to select this one. The use of Creative Hub is your ad placement. You can place your ad in multiple places. Okay, but let's suppose you don't want a same image for all the placement, and you want to create your ad differently. So for this purpose, you can go for Creative Hub. You just have to create mockup. Okay, so there are 17 placement where your ad will be shown. So you have to select ad name, begin, so we have to select the Facebook page from where our ad will be run. And if we have Instagram account, we can go for that. So single image, and we have to select the image. So this part is just for creating the ad copy, and you can just directly select this one and add to the your ad set. So I can just select this one image. Okay, if I select this image, so it automatically shows me the in the stream how it will look in this in a stream ad, the right column ad, all that. Okay. And if I want to replace this one particular placement, like I don't want to show this image on stories and reels or website, I can just use this option and use this image. So now for this particular ad, this image would be used for in feed, in stream ads for videos and reels, and for stories this ad would be visible, and for the right column again this image will be used. I just have to select next. And here you can see different types of placement, and here it is showing music. If we want to add, we can use customize it whatever image you have. And this is expand image, automatically expand image to fit more placement. Okay. And here you can use filters. It is automatically optimize your image, like before it looked like that, and after that it will enhance optimize by the meta. And once you are done with this ad is created. You can just again mention. So this is visible here. So here you can see again, you can just, the destination is website. You just have to mention your website link, display link, like and again call to action and more. Okay. So here you can see I have just designed this advertisement. Okay, and for stories and messenger, this image will be used, and for other placement, this image will be used. So once I am done with this, show in ads manager. So this ad is, this creative is design. We can also share it with people. If we want to show this to our team, we can show it to them. Okay. So this is all about Facebook advertisement and different features that you can use. Okay. Another important aspect of Facebook ad is the Facebook ad library. So till this point, everything is clear about the ad manager. I am showing you a trick that you can use for understanding a different ad and the advertisement of your competitor. So after all these things, if you want to check your competitor, how and what they are doing, you can just use the ad library. This library consists everything and all the information of different pages that you have. Okay, ad category, all ads. So I have searched Flipkart. Give me a name of any of your brand that you know, that you have seen the advertisement on Facebook. So we just have to select, search them, select them. So they are running 130 advertisement, and you can see all their advertisement at one place. Okay, with the other information like started running on 3rd of October. This ad is okay. This is the library ID of this particular ad, and these are the product, these are the different ad copies that they have, and they are running ads. So around 130 ads they are running. Okay, see all the different ads, you can see them here, and on the basis of your understanding your competitor, you can understand like are they targeting using any specific product, or are they launching any kind of offers, or whatever they are doing. You can just see everything at one place. Okay, like here you can see this wow Wednesday shop for just 9,999 and bag. flat 500 cashback on your order. So by this you can just see like what are the changes that we can make to our own strategies. Okay, and this is the ad library. Here you can see the total number of ads in the ad library is this, and this is the total number of advertisement amount that people have spent since um, February 19, 2019. So top searches from the past week, like keyword pages that people searches for most frequently in the ad library. So people searches for these words in the past week, and here you can see most of them are related to like any political party. If I click here, I can see what are the campaign they are running, any one political parties. Okay, so here you can see the amount they spend, okay, and the impression they are getting also. In majority of courses related to Facebook, people don't tell you about this, but it is very important, because using this you can understand like how other people are running their ad, how much they are spending, how much they are getting impression and whatever they're doing. Okay, and here you can see the advertisement from this one particular party, and this term is also searched like once you click on the discount, so all the ad related to discount will be shown here. Like this one Anupam Motors is running ad, okay, and they are giving discount. I don't know why this one particular political party is showing on discount. So using keyword as well, you can see which uh, ad is showing and which ad is running on this keyword, all the ad. And for social media marketing, you can see the number of advertisement that different people are running, like this Bharat advertising agency is running ad, okay, related to social media marketing. And this one platform, this brand Baba is running ad. So while using this keyword, by just understanding different competitors page, you can see the advertisement type and how they are running ads. Okay.